Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I have a look of Tron TRX coin. What's the pricing goes in TRX, what's the high price, what's the current status of TRX coin and a cryptocurrencies market. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please make sure to subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about TRX coin friends. So let's see the price prediction of the TRX coin. After that we decide that what's going next in a TRX coin friends. As you can see here, that is a live price predictions of the last one day friends. April 16 April, you are watching the live price prediction of 16 April friends. So the change occurred in the TRX coin in the last one day. The change is about positive 14.72% change occurred in the TRX coin, and the high price of TRX is about dollar 0.163037 USD dollar is the high price of TRX in the last one day friends. Absolutely I like this kind of change, a good change occurred in the TRX coin friends. Now if we detect the next day price predictions, what's going next in a TRX coin. So I think it's easy for all of you. If you look the graph of the TRX coin, if you look the chart of the TRX coin, so as you can see here, a continuously jumps occur in the TRX coin from the previous last one day. They fall down for a little time, but after a fall they again take an explosion, and same now they are also in the explosion mood friends. So that's mean that the continuously jumping occurs in the TRX coin. We always have to think positive friends. Now friends, if we look what's going next in the TRX coin, so it's easy for all of you that you can see here. After a small fall they take a high jump, same like that. This procedure occurs in a TRX coin. As you can see, a small fast and now a high jump. So same like that. Now it's a half fast and now in the future a high jump. So maybe this jump is very high, maybe this jump is very less, and after taking a small jump they again fast out. We can't say about the future of TRX coin, but that's my suggestion, that's my opinion about TRX coin, that they maybe goes upward in the future. So friends, what's your opinion about TRX coin? Please share in the comment box. And remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about cryptocurrency news. Thank you so much for watching this video.